predictions, baby. Oh my God, seasonal affective disorders in full swing. So I am excited that I can spend this time with the boys as we're waiting to pick up the girls from school for Zero Research NFL predictions. Let's go. Tonight, Washington is playing the Eagles. NFC Conference Showdown. Let's rock and roll. I think tonight the score is going to be 27-23. With the Commanders coming out on top, Jaden Daniels is going to crank. The Dirty Birds, you're going down. Jace, what do you think? What's the score?
21-20 Commanders.
21-20 Commanders. I like it. Let's go. Aiden, how about you, buddy?
It's going to be 24-17. The Eagles win.
Oh, the Dirty Birds. Well, that's it for Zero Research NFL predictions, baby. We will see you on Monday night. Bye-bye.